Hi guys, so this will be a quick unboxing of the Husky 564 464 half-inch drive torque wrench ranging from 50 to 250 foot-pounds. It's from Home Depot. I got it on sale for $50. It was originally it was $89.97, so about $30 off. And I just want to do an unboxing. But also just kind of talk about what's on the outside. So it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. However, this does not protect against calibration issues. Ranges from 50 to 250. It's a half-inch drive. It's a twist lock instead of the threaded screw. So it may be easier for you depending on what you're used to. It has a factory calibrated to plus or minus 3% is the tolerance. Comes with a plastic case, obviously. Oil resistant handle, gives you a set of instructions. And this is a product of Taiwan and has been finished in mainland China. So this is not, for those of you who have an older Husky wrench, this is not made in the United States. It's now made overseas. So let me see if I can set the camera down. So there's this little plastic sleeve, and it's not something that can be easily removed. It has to be kind of torn off. So it's the best way to do it. Okay, so here's the wrench. The case has these two red latches here. It's all plastic. Right inside here, there's a little plastic squeeze tab. I think this is to prevent the tool from opening by itself, or to make it harder for people who are going to open it up in the store. So it's got this little tab. So you remove that. And then undo the latches, and here it is. So this has the hinge. There's no separate hinge on the back here. It's just your typical blow molded case. So if you're going to be using this at a professional shop, it's probably going to break over time. Then again, I don't know how often you're using a torque wrench, but so it comes with the operating instructions, as well as a calibration sheet. So it tells you the date that it was calibrated. This was calibrated May 8th of 21. The temperature that it was calibrated in, and there's a stamp on the bottom right. So just certifying that it's been calibrated prior to sale. Whether or not it actually was, I don't know, that's what they say. So now as far as the actual tool, this is the tool. So starting with the head, it's got the Husky logo. It's sealed, which I like because that will prevent any sort of dirt or oil from getting in. This has the flip switch right here. I only use this to, tighten things. It's a precision instrument, so you don't want to use it for anything else. So from the factory, the range right here, I don't know if you can see, but the range is actually 30 to 250 foot-pounds. But on torque wrenches, they're only accurate on the upper 80%. So that's why they advertise this as 50 to 250, even though it goes down to as low as 30. At that point, you should just, if you want to torque something to 30 foot-pounds, you should just get another torque wrench for a different range. So in terms of tightening this, you pull this collar down, and then you turn it clockwise, which I really like. This is easy to use. The feel is really nice. It's not rough on my hands. The grip is very comfortable. And then it automatically locks. So when this collar goes up, it automatically locks. So overall, you know, it's a solid tool. It feels substantial, and I'm going to be using this, so I'll put a review in later. But this is just an unboxing, and then just to give you a close-up of the case, this is how it's stored. It's got a clear see-through panel here, and like I said on the back, this is just blow molded. So anyways, just a quick video of the tool. Thanks for watching.